There is a place on Earth where sunlight has never touched, a world without color, without warmth, without mercy. Here, darkness isn't the absence of light, it's a permanent condition. Pressure crushes with the weight of mountains, the cold is absolute, and yet something moves. Tiny pinpricks of light flicker in the black. They drift, pulse, blink back. At first, they seem beautiful, almost peaceful, until you realize those lights belong to living things, and down here, glowing isn't a miracle, it's a warning. Imagine descending into the ocean. At the surface, light dances freely. By 200 meters, colors begin to vanish. Reds disappear first, then yellows, then green. By 1,000 meters, the last traces of sunlight die. This region is called the Midnight Zone, a place so dark that even shadows no longer exist. And yet, life thrives here. But not the kind we recognize. Fish with jaws too large for their bodies, eyes that stare without blinking, and glowing organs that seem less like biology and more like something imagined in a nightmare. This raises the first question. Why would anything glow in a place built to erase light entirely? In the deep sea, darkness isn't temporary, it's evolutionary pressure. Without sunlight, plants can't grow. Without plants, food is scarce. Every movement costs energy. Every mistake can be fatal. So evolution did something unexpected. It gave animals the ability to make their own light. This phenomenon is called bioluminescence, a chemical reaction inside the body that produces light without heat. Think of it like a living glow stick. Two chemicals mix, energy is released, light appears. But here's the unsettling part. Over 90% of deep-sea creatures glow in some way, which raises a deeper mystery. If glowing makes you visible, why would evolution choose it in the darkest place on Earth? Some deep-sea fish don't glow to be seen. They glow to hunt. The anglerfish is the most infamous example. Suspended above its mouth is a glowing lure, a tiny beacon dancing in the darkness. To smaller fish, it looks like food, or safety, or hope. They swim closer, too close. In a place where meals are rare, deception is survival. But scientists still don't know why different species glow in different colors. Blues, greens, even deep reds invisible to most eyes. What we've discovered only deepens the mystery. Some predators glow in wavelengths only their prey can see, which suggests something unsettling. These animals may be communicating in a hidden visual language invisible to us. At depths of 4,000 meters, pressure reaches over 400 times what we feel at sea level. Human lungs would collapse instantly. Submarines groan and deform, and yet glowing fish swim calmly through it all. Their bodies are soft, flexible, almost fragile, but their light-producing organs remain perfectly functional. This raises another question. How does something so delicate survive conditions so extreme? Scientists believe bioluminescence may serve another purpose here: communication without sound. In a place where vibrations travel unpredictably and vision is limited, light may be the most reliable signal. A flash to warn predators, a pulse to attract a mate, a flicker to confuse an attacker. But many glowing patterns don't match any known purpose. They exist without explanation. Some deep-sea fish glow not to stand out, but to vanish. This adaptation is called counter-illumination. Predators below look up for silhouettes, dark shapes against faint light from above.
So some fish produce light on their bellies, matching the glow from the surface. To predators, they disappear. It's camouflage made of light, a biological illusion. But here's the unsettling part. These fish must constantly adjust their glow as conditions change, which means they're not just glowing, they're controlling light in real time. This raises a larger question. How much intelligence exists in creatures we barely understand? The deep sea is isolated from the rest of the world. Some species down here may live for decades. Others may go years without encountering another of their kind. And yet, they still glow. Some fish light up only during mating seasons. Others flash in complex rhythms. Scientists suspect some bioluminescent patterns may be older than humanity itself, encoded behaviors passed down for millions of years, but no one has fully decoded them. We don't know what most of these signals mean. We only know they matter, and that realization is deeply unsettling. For all our technology, we've explored less than 10% of the deep ocean. Most glowing creatures have been seen only once, or never alive. Every expedition finds something new, and every discovery raises more questions than answers. Are these lights purely biological, or are we witnessing the edge of an alien intelligence shaped by darkness? What we've discovered only deepens the mystery. Far above the glowing fish, we live in a world flooded with light. We flip switches, we light cities, we chase away darkness. But beneath us exists a realm where light is rare, precious, and dangerous. A world where evolution learned to weaponize beauty, where survival means becoming a living signal in eternal night. And the most unsettling truth of all? This glowing nightmare world isn't on another planet. It's right here, beneath our feet, waiting, still unexplored.